नमस्कार दोस्तों, गणपति बप्पा मोरिया। वेलकम टू डे 6 ऑफ आवर स्पेशल गणेश फेस्टिवल वीडियो सीरीज। मैं हूं दिलीप पाटिल एंड टुडे आई ब्रिंग अ soul stirring tale of devotion, a story not of riches, not of rituals, but of bhakti, pure and innocent devotion. This is the story of a little boy named Kana, a boy with nothing in his hands but everything in his heart. A story that shows us that true devotion does not need money, only love and surrender. Stay with me till the end. This one night, just more your heart and renew your faith. Let me take you a small dusty village in Maharashtra, surrounded by green hills and scared rivers. Here lived Kana, a young boy with tattered clothes, bare feet, and a heart full of devotion. He was poor, extremely poor, but what he lacked in money, he made up in faith, simplicity, and love. Every morning, Kana would wake up at dawn, help his mother in household chores, and even go to the temple of Ganpati Bappa near the banyan tree. He had no offering, no sweets, no modak, just folded hands, closed eyes, and a voice that whispered, Bappa, tum ho na mere saath. While others offered milk, ladus, and silver coins, Kana offered a single wild flower from the forest. He would pick it carefully, blow the dust, and place it near the idol. One day, the priest mockingly asked, Why do you even come, Kana? Bappa needs offerings, not empty hands. But Kana replied with a smile, पंडित जी, बप्पा को सब कुछ चाहिए होता, पर सबसे पहले एक पवित्र दिल. This reply spread like wildfire. People laughed, some admired, but Kana, he kept praying daily faithfully. Our one stormy night, as the village slept, a huge tree branches fell on the Ganpati Bappa temple. People were scared to go out, but Kana ran into the storm to protect his beloved Bappa. He placed a torn plastic seat over the idol, sat beside it, and chanted, Vakratanda Mahakaya. And then something magical happened. The storm stopped. The skies cleared. A sudden divine glow lit up with the idol. The priest came out in a shock and saw Kana glowing, his eyes closed in meditation. From that day, people began offering wild flowers in the temple, following Kana's path of a pure devotion. दोस्तों, the story of Kana is not just folk lore, it is a lesson. You don't need wealth to worship. You don't need rituals to reach God. You only need Shraddha, faith, and सबका मन से भक्ति. Be heartfelt devotion. Lord Ganesha never looks at how much you give. He looks at how purely you feel. Whether you are rich or a poor, if you Bo is right, Bappa listens. Today, as we celebrated day 6 of Ganesh festival, let us look within, not around. Let us offer our time, our kindness, our love, because that is the true offering. Before I end, I have a few questions for you. When was the last time you prayed not for gain but for gratitude? Can you simply simplify your rituals and deepen your connection? What would it look like if you lived every day with Kana's innocent love? If this story touched your heart, comment below. I offer my devotion, not possessions. And let us all remind each other what true bhakti really means. Ganpati Bappa Moria, Mangal Murti Moria. Thank you for watching today's heartwarming story. Tomorrow we return with another deep, meaningful tale of Ganesh Festival series. Thank you.